How to wipe and restore your Windows PC, a guide to resetting your PC to factory fresh state. I'm Huey Poplock. Back up important files. Copy files to an external storage and use cloud storage for backup. Backing up important files to an external device like a hard drive, a flash drive, or cloud storage protects your data from loss if your main computer fails. First, get a backup drive with enough capacity and connect it to your computer. Use your operating system's tools or backup software to select and copy the files you want to preserve. Schedule regular, recurring backups and store the drive somewhere safe when not in use. Occasionally restore files from the backup to verify it works. Following this backup process ensures you have copies of valuable files and can restore them if anything happens to your computer's original data. Make a habit of periodic backups, including new and changed files, for full protection. Cloud services like Dropbox, Google Drive, and OneDrive provide easy automated backup of your important PC files off-site over the internet. Simply sign up for cloud service, install their app on your computer, select your folders to continuously back up, and the service will automatically upload new and changed files online. Cloud Backup allows access to your files from anywhere, shared file access, version history, and protection if your local PC fails. Check that files are uploading correctly. Set a backup schedule through the installed app and access your cloud files from any device by logging into your account online. Cloud Backup combined with local external hard drive backups provides a comprehensive protection strategy for your critical PC data. Reset Windows. Go to Settings, System, Recovery, Reset this PC. Select Get Started. Choose to keep no files. Clean the hard drives. Use a disk utility like DBAN. Overwrite the entire hard drive with zeros. Wipe all data, including Windows installation. Here are some good options for apps to securely wipe a PC hard drive. DBAN, which is Derek's Boot and Nuke, is free wiping utility that boots from a USB and completely erases a hard drive by overwriting data with random data. Eraser is a free open source tool that overwrites data to make sure it's unrecoverable. It allows targeted erasing of only certain files or a full drive wipe. HDDerase, bootable ISO that provides multiple wipe options, including government standards like DoD 5220.22m for secure data destruction. The key when securely erasing a hard drive is to use multiple overwrite passes and verify the wipe to ensure no original data can be recovered. Be sure to research the proper procedure for your needs. Reinstalling Windows. Boot from the Windows Install USB drive. Install fresh copy of Windows on wiped hard drive, and then follow a clean install steps to set up a new user account. Create Windows install. To create an installable copy of Windows, you can use the Media Creation tool for Windows 10 or Windows 11 from Microsoft. Uninstall manufacturer's bloatware. Remove unnecessary pre-installed apps, uninstall bloatware from the PC, and get rid of apps you don't need. Update Windows and drivers. Install the latest Windows updates. Visit manufacturer's website for driver updates. And then remove personal information from the BIOS. Enter BIOS setup utility, erase saved profile information, and disable all profiles. This is part of a series, How to Dispose of Your Old Tech Responsibly. I'm Huey Poplock. There are other videos in this series, and they're listed on your screen. This has been How to Wipe and Restore Your Windows PC. It's a guide to resetting your PC to factory fresh state. I'm Huey Poplock.